The first time we looked at the project is we recognized with the introduction of technology in the classroom, the use of electricity was going to go up substantially. Also, with a greater cost there, that allows less funds to go in for academics. So we wanted to bring that down, plus be responsible global citizens. And solar really answers that. Second experience of working with Solar Liberty. Our first experience was in 2012 when we did a 50 kW project, just a small one to get our first experience in this. And Solar Liberty was phenomenal then. And they're proven to have that same track record with our second, much larger project. And that's why we went with them based on our first experience. And then coming in of what they're able to deliver with the seamless work between installation, working with SED, and then all the notifications that have to go out to the public. We also looked at wind farms, but having the big wind turbine in, that didn't seem as appealing to the community. So by having the solar panels on the roofs, it was something that really didn't change the aesthetics of the building, of the community, but yet gave a direct savings back that could be used to offset the increased expenses with technology, and also have funds that now we could use to further support instruction. One nice thing about Solar Liberty is they do offer schools where they can have an interactive piece for your instructional classes, especially the sciences or STEM classes, where they can actually see what a solar farm is doing live and in action, and then compare that with the weather. In Western New York, we do get a lot of snow and rain, but we also do have a lot of sun, and they can actually see the difference between the days and the power that's being produced.